Can't touch him, mommy. Can't touch him, you're in trouble.
Your body not come.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Blessings, blessings, blessings. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And with sad news today, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, as a YouTuber, as a vlogger, my people, you understand, covering stories and things, talking about things happening, my people, want to see a better Jamaica, want a better future for our youths and things, my people, you understand? I covered so much story, my people, involving, you know what I mean, relationship, all of us, my people, so much I've done, my people. But honestly, my viewers and subscribers, and I know a lot of vloggers right now, may be thinking the same like what I'm gonna say now, my people, because now I have to report, my people. You understand? Another vlogger was killed in Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. Another vlogger was gunned down. You understand? So this blogger, my people, who operate the page, you understand, the channel, Augustone 876, you know what I mean? A lot of people know him as the nickname Big Meech, my people. So them say over in a scene catching yesterday on the Friday, my viewers and subscribers, which is March the 3rd, 2023, my people. This man was in a community in St. Catching, them calling him Red Pan or something like that, my people. And them say sometime after 1 in the afternoon, he was about to enter a taxi, my people, when an unknown assailant does, you know what I mean, roll up, my people, and fire shot hit this man. Zin? The driver who himself the taxi was also hit, my people, but he was injured. But Big Meech, sadly, my people, him never make it, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? So, another vlogger cut down, my people. And this man operate the page where a lot of people may know, you know what I mean? You will see all of those things happening, meaning like, if you see, you say a man get killed, you see the video them and you see him have him logo on it, Augustone 876, because most of his story basically focus on Augustone, my viewers and subscribers. A lot of things happening in Augustone, you would have talk about it, you would have share about it, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? So, a lot of people don't know his page. If you get a viral video and thing, you don't know, you just see him logo on it, Augustone 876. So, you know, it's first I ever see a photo of this man, my people, you understand, because I always thought it was a page where people don't know this man, you know what I mean, just like how you have politics and nobody don't know him and them something there. So I thought it was something like that, but eventually people do know him, my viewers and subscribers, and sadly them kill the man. You understand? I don't know what is behind this, my viewers and subscribers, because a lot of people may hear the story or see the story now. Just like how you have an artist, have an entertainer, my people, and you hear say an artist get cut down, a DJ get cut down, a dancer, but then there is something behind it and it don't focus on the career of the person, my people. There is just something else behind it that they really, you know what I mean, killing got towards some viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to judge and say Big Meech was involved in anything, my viewers and subscribers. We know him as a YouTuber, as a man who control an Instagram page, Facebook page, very popular page of people, Augustone 876. But we personally, I never knew him as nobody else, because as me say, I never knew him before. I just know his page, my viewers and subscribers. But seeing photos and things, you know what I mean, a lot of people that say, boy, this and that and that, but only Jah sees and he knows the people. Honestly, I understand, my people, the work where a lot of vloggers do, my people, it's a very risky job. You understand? And this is why I'm not gonna say I'm scared or nothing, my people, but if anyone know my platform is always different, my people, and that's why there's certain story I don't touch, I don't cover, my viewers and subscribers, because I leave certain stories to other vloggers. If they want to cover it, them cover it, but there's just certain things I don't do, my people. You know what I mean? And nobody can say NEWLINK afraid me cannot do this. No, I'm not scared, I'm not afraid. But the thing is why I don't touch certain story, because I build my channel based on the fact of certain way of covering stories and topics that I talk about. And for me, for be certain type of blogger now who does go come, you know what I mean, do certain things, then I leave that to other channel. Because a lot of time people do link attacking boss and say NEWLINK, so I news and them boy I do something, so look at you know, say differently, and me do them type of story, I have a link politics or a link, you know what I mean? my brother done this, so you know what I mean, my people. So there's just certain things I just don't do. On a real level. One, on the spot media, them cover some different type of story. Big them up, you understand? But me just do my thing different, my people. But what more I have to say, people, just a blogger, we are doing a great job. People feel understand. Me personally, I know I'm doing a great job. I have helped so much people with my, you know what I mean, vlogging thing, counsel and other people. A lot of youths have them problem, them stress, them link me. And say NEWLINK want some advice. Let the youth feel like give up, you understand? Let the youth who used to be in a certain field doing things, and when them talk to me make them change them life. A real thing me are telling my people, let the youth. So if you see people being put in, you know what I mean, a mark on bloggers, as me say, I don't know if these marks are personal things or just because of the work with them I do. It's not a good look. It's not a good look. On a real level, people, it's not a good look. You get what me I say? And for these perpetrators, if you not target the bloggers, the man, me can say, man, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. On a real level, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And after this, just pour up my condolences to the family of Big Meech. You understand? And for these perpetrators, I hope the police can take swift action into this and find whoever behind this or whoever responsible for this. Even though these things happening, as and subscriber, you can hear people come forward and say, look at them, man, such and such go on. Because remember, you know, people, last year in September, there was a blogger who did get cut down in Jamaica. Lee Gates, if you all remember, my people, and when I don't hear you did hear something say Lee Gates was parring around gang members and this and that. You know what I mean, my people? So that's why I say some people, they will be doing these work, my viewers and subscribers. So they're vlogging and they want to do this and them do that. But they are linking with people who are in the wrong also. You understand? So it's like, yeah, show a good side to the world, but deep inside they have a bad side and they're on the bad part. My people, which I'm not judging, I'm saying, but remember we see it happen before, my viewers and subscribers. It's a sad situation, my people, when people do lose their life, especially in a tragical way like this, people. Of course, we all have to mourn. Of course, we all have to feel it, my people. Of course, we all do. Life. But life, I tell you, it's rough, man, rough. Why, people, we're on a verge in Jamaica right now with crime. You know what I say? Yesterday, it was the Friday, right? And honestly, the amount of something sent to me, my viewers and subscribers, I was confused. You understand the amount of news reports sent to me? Them find woman body there, so man gun down a mobile, 2 people dead up a town there, so them find a next body round there, so my viewers and subscribers, them find body in a car in Manchester, them do this yo, honestly, my viewers and subscribers, what is going on in our country? Honestly, what is going on? And me personally, I'm not gonna say, hey Andrew, rope no more, hey Andrew, you know what I mean, give them big that no more. I'm done talking all of them something, my viewers and subscribers, because you know, I'm just talking in vain every day. No, it don't make no sense. Come in how much hundreds of vlog and say the same thing, 100 this, 100 that, my people. But the people, we have to really take things in our own hand right now. Honestly, that's what we have to do. We have to start build our own organization and try to conquer these demons that is taking a toll on us. Because if our PM now really stand up certain way, my people, then we are in trouble, we are in problem, and this is what is happening now, my people, on a real level. It's a sad situation, so much of people on a daily basis, but only just season he knows, you know. Rough, rest in peace again, Big Meech, you understand? August 876, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Sad one, another vlogger, another, boy, it's rough, tough, my people, boy, and as me that talk before, I say a lot of people right now are vlogger. Boy, they must thinking a lot right now through the mind. But the people, walk with God. I walk with him on a daily basis. Put my trust and my faith in him. You understand? That's all I can say. Be safe out there and just continue to do the right thing. More love, more respect, more blessings. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support. You don't know, every like, every share, every comment, my people. One team, one dream, one scheme. Be good to your brothers, be good to your sister, my people. You know, you're going out and you're coming in. You understand? And just believe. Trust the process. Peace out, my people. Subscribe, like, share, comment, attack them NEWLINK. Peace out. Blessings.